From the 19th to the 23rd of March 2023, Nature Uganda, a local environmental conservation organization, hosted a team of experts from Tanzania, Kenya, UK and Germany on a peer-to-peer review of some of its activities in the Kigezi sub-region.
Here, falling down is normal.
Don't mind.
It's okay.
The visitors were from the different organizations of Nature Tanzania, Nature Kenya, NABU and BirdLife. This was made possible by the AfriEvolve project that aims at supporting green non-government organizations in Africa to protect areas rich in biodiversity.
We are implementing a project called AfriEvolve, supporting green NGOs in Africa to protect the richest areas for biodiversity, but also supporting communities in various interventions that allow them or helps them to adapt to climate change. These interventions were codenamed climate smart interventions, including what is commonly known as climate smart agriculture.
On 21st of March, Nature Uganda hosted the visitors in a workshop at Cephas INN Kabale, where the various teams explained what they were doing in their places of operation.
Shifting philosophy of sustainable incentives program for community development and biodiversity conservation. We have this mindset that they are coming, they are going to donate. So we want community to make sure that they are becoming responsible for what we are going to give them.
You know, sometimes we come and teach people, we train, we talk about this training, do this is good, this is good. But if you don't provide the community with an opportunity to access capital, to do these things, they will not do that. And I think for us in Nature Uganda, we have tested, even digging trenches, just digging a trench, the Fanya Ju. People don't have walls. So now I'm telling them to dig trenches. What are they going to use? So in order to promote that intervention, that technology, you need to provide access to these materials.
Several stakeholders from the districts of Kisoro, Rubanda and Kabale attended the event.
Conservation is not an easy thing, most especially in our area here, where one, we have a challenge of land fragmentation, where the population is high, where the poverty levels are also high. So you talk about conserving the environment, certainly there is a certain group of people that will be affected. And hence, resistance is bound to be met. So but we want to thank you so much for the efforts you put forward, most especially the programs to transform our people, the apiary, the cookstoves, all of those enhanced government programs.
On the 22nd of March, the team visited Ichia Forest Reserve, a sanctuary for different plants and birds located at the intersection of Kisoro and Rubanda districts. Ichia Forest Reserve is considered an important birding area with more than 200 endemic bird species. Ichia Forest serves as a water catchment area, and local people often harvest bamboo and other resources from the reserve.
In tourism, if you don't see something, that's an opportunity for you to come back. No, we have to climb this again.
While in the forest, the team participated in birding, and they later visited the neighboring community of the Batwa.
There's a lot to learn from the work Nature Uganda is doing in Echuya, and Nature Kenya is proud to be associated with Nature Uganda and to have had the opportunity to visit Echuya and to see the good work.
Mbora bitakukira bahicho bambara tarakakara mbora kigenda kimeko sakimano kayisore mutakukira bahicho mbora kigenda kimeko Nature Uganda na mahoro Nature Uganda na mahoro ukomere Nature Uganda ya mbora bitakukira bahizi rero bakobwa we
The Batu were forest-dwelling hunter-gatherers and are widely accepted as the original inhabitant of the region. As their traditional forest lands and territories fell under the control of the agro-industries and conservation agencies, the Batu became squatters, living on the edges of the society. The establishment of the Bwindi and Mugainge national parks for mountain gorillas in 1991 enabled the authorities to evict the Batu from the forest. The Batu in Uganda today experience systematic and pervasive discrimination from the government and other sectors of the society, and their rights as indigenous people are neither recognized nor respected.
Bamwe turavuka Chuya, abandi turavuka Gahinga, abandi Rwindi.
He's saying some of these Batu who are here, some of them come from the Chuya, others from Gahinga, others from Bwindi.
Nature Uganda twayitakira ko twabona bwenye tutakibona nico kurya, tutagira n'agatama, dufite akabira gakeya, tutafite n'agatama.
So he's saying when they came out of the forest, they cried to Nature Uganda, and it helped them by giving them a number of items like sheep and he said also land and others that they
tuyereka ko twarya kubuki mu nshamba, tuyereka ko twabagaho mu nshamba, turi neza turije, Nature Uganda yabihandika.
So he's saying when Nature Uganda came, they elaborated to them what they were enjoying in the forest, and Nature Uganda allowed them, and it started providing in some way of intervention.
Nature Uganda intervened in the Batu communities by training them in climate-smart agriculture.
The indigenous communities who live on the margins of the forest, the Batu community. And this is a group that Nature Uganda has been supporting in the various climate-smart interventions, providing tools for constructing what is known as fanyachin, or trenches, water trenches to stop or protect soil erosion. The program is soil and water conservation. We provided them with animals, especially sheep and goat, to help them produce manure that could help them to improve productivity on their small pieces of land.
Visitors got an opportunity to experience what the Batu are doing in this line. The Batu were also given tools to assist them in implementing climate-smart agricultural practices.
Nature Uganda.
Why he thanks God and Nature Uganda as well?
Nukube ko twamaze kumuhandikira yabasize kutugarukamo vuba, ebisimba yongera yabiduhereza kandi yongera yaduhereza n'izindi ntama kubw'izindi zari zaravuganye kirwara cyazimaraho.
My experience here at Uganda has been amazing, especially the intervention of what Nature Uganda is doing, especially supporting the community on soil conservation. We are also doing that in Tanzania, but it has been a little bit different here, so the experience has been amazing.
The Batu community, I've been hearing of them, the Batu people. I'm glad I was able to see the Batu people and dance with them.
On the 23rd of March, Nature Uganda led the team to Kashasha Primary School in Mufundi Sub-County, Rubanda District. The organization has been helping the school in practicing environmental conservation. At this school, Nature Uganda established an environmental club to champion conservation in the school and the neighboring community.
All the items we have gone through, the knowledge these pupils have learned from here is transferred to their homes, their homesteads, so that when we protect our water here, they also protect their waters in different hills, so that they don't, the water does not destroy their gardens and whatever.
The schools that we are working with, we are promoting sustainability, making the schools more sustainable. We are demonstrating a number of things. One, we are forming environmental clubs. Some of you may remember wildlife clubs. They are still there and they are being revived. So we are part of that process to revive wildlife conservation, environment conservation, but starting with the young children. So apart from establishing these wildlife clubs or environmental clubs, we are also demonstrating some of these interventions within the schools. For example, tree growing. You can teach children how to make nurseries.
And more of connecting the environmental education to students. That's something that was very amazing. It was very productive. We have been enjoying the dances, and I would definitely take the experience of engaging youth on conservation. It was something that is very amazing. I'm not doing it at my project, so definitely if I get a chance to do it more, I will definitely copy that and do it in Tanzania.
It is evident that the school is coping up with good practices such as tree planting and setting up nursery beds, riverbank management, vegetable and napier grass growing, among others. The visitors climaxed their experience with a dinner at Munyonyi Safaris Hotel on Africa's second deepest lake, Munyonyi.
hoping that our visitors who came here and spent 3 days in Kabale, 4 days in Uganda, picked some lessons, and that they can go back and also implement in their own area. We had a wrap-up meeting this morning, and quite many of them were appreciative on the level we have reached in involving local governments in our programs, or the support that we get from local governments. Indeed, we are very appreciative of especially Rubanda district, Kabale district and Kisoro district for the support that we have received. Everything that Nature Uganda does fits well in the district's development plans. So what we are doing is the work of the districts, and we are happy that the leadership, including the top political leadership in the district, have been very supportive of